Hello dear students. Today we'll learn how to find the lowest common multiple by various methods. Dear students, there are following methods to find the LCM. First is LCM through multiples. Second is LCM using prime factorization. And third is LCM using division method. Dear students, you have already understood the first method in previous videos, and today we'll learn prime factorization and division method. And question number 3 of exercise 3.3 is find LCM of following using prime factorization, and its A part is 32 and 40. So dear students, first we'll divide the first value 32 on 2, and on dividing by 2 we get 16, and 16 is also divisible by 2. So on dividing 16 by 2 we get 8, and 8 is also divisible by 2, and again on dividing by 2 we get the value 4. Now 4 is also divisible by 2, and on dividing we get 2, and again on dividing 2 by 2 we get 1 as the final answer. So the factors of 32 which we get are 32 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. And now we'll find the factors of 40. So first we'll divide 40 by the smallest prime number, that's 2. And on dividing we get 20. And now on dividing 20 by 2 we get 10. And as 10 is also divisible by 2, so on dividing 10 by 2 we get 5. And as 5 is not divisible by 2 and is a prime number, so we'll divide it by 5. And on dividing we get the value 1. So dear students, the factors of 40 which we get are 40 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 5. So dear students, first we'll find the common factors of 32 and 40, and that's 2 into 2 into 2, and the remaining factors of 32 and 40 are 2 into 2 into 5. So in this way, on multiplying the common factors and remaining factors, we will get the LCM, and that's the lowest common multiple of 32 and 40. So on multiplying 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 5, we will get 160 as the answer, which is the required LCM. Next, question number 4 is find the LCM of the following using division method, and we'll do the C part, 30, 45 and 50. So dear students, when we find LCM using division method, then we write all the three numbers in this way and divide with the smallest prime number which can divide at least one of the given numbers. Then we bring down the numbers that cannot be further divided and continue dividing with the smallest possible prime numbers till the last point, till we get 1. So in this way the prime factors will be the multiplied, resulting in LCM. So let's solve. So first we'll divide with the smallest prime number, and that's 2. So on dividing 30 by 2 we get 15. 45 is not divisible by 2. So we'll write it as it is. And 50 on dividing by 2 we get 25. Now we get the three numbers, that's 15, 45 and 25. So we'll divide them by 3. And on dividing 15 by 3 we get 5. And on dividing 45 by 3 we get 15. And as 25 is not divisible by 3, so we'll write it as it is. So we get the three values, that's 5, 15 and 25. So dear students, we'll divide these values again by 3. So on dividing As 5 is not divisible by 3, so we'll write it as it is. 15 on dividing by 3 we get 5, and 25 is again not divisible by 3, so we'll write it as it is. So now we get the three values, that's 5, 5 and 25. So dear students, we'll divide these values by 5, and on dividing 5 by 5 we get 1. Again on dividing 5 by 5 we get 1, and on dividing 25 by 5 we get the value 5. So now we get three values, that's 1, 1 and 5, which we will again divide by 5. So 1 will be written as it is, and next one will also be written as it is, and 5 on dividing by 5 will get the value 1. So dear students, we have to find the LCM of 30, 45 and 50, and for that we'll multiply all the factors which we have obtained. And so LCM of 30, 45 and 50 is equal to 2 into 3 into 3 into 5 into 5, and that's equal to 450, which is the required LCM. So dear students, your homework is to do all the parts of question number 3 and 4 neatly in your notebooks. Bye bye students, we'll meet in the next video.